Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today will be part 1 of the real grade Sazabi inner frame. And I will be showing how I go from just a plain gray inner frame to what you see here. And with that, let's get started. Before I get started too much into the paints and stuff that I used, I want to talk about PPE. Now, when spraying lacquer paints, you always want to have a good ventilated area. You also preferably want to use a booth. It sucks the fumes out and out to the outside when you ride it out the window. But extra precautions, nitrile gloves, and a respirator. Please protect your lungs and protect yourselves. Now I'll move on into what paints I actually use in doing this inner frame, just in case you are wanting to do it yourself. So, as always, I always start with Evo Surfacer Black when I'm doing metallics, because it makes a very smooth, very good black surface to start with the metallics. Then I actually used a custom mixture this time. As you can see, it says Inner Frame Custom, but it is Gaia Notes Star Bright Silver, about 85% and about 15% gunmetal. So I didn't have any duraluminum, so I mixed up sort of a duraluminum color myself, adding those two together. You'll need some gloss black for the mirror chrome, because you do surfacer, then gloss black, then the chrome. For the yellowish gold, I actually am using the Gaia Notes Star Bright Brass. Makes a very, very good metallic yellow. For the enamel painting, I used Gunship Gray from Model Masters, Gold from Model Masters, and Copper from Testers. Okay, so now that we have gotten to the step of all the base painting for these pieces are done, we will move to detail painting with enamel paints. The reason for the enamel paints is you can paint the details on, and if you make any mistakes, you can use lighter fluid or enamel thinner to take off the paint without destroying the lacquer paint underneath. So with that being said, we will get to brush painting and panel lining. And with that, this will be the conclusion of the work in progress for the Real Grade Sazabi Inner Frame Part 1. As you can see, I've gotten the waist and the upper torso inner frame done. One thing I did notice though is unlike the new, with the Sazabi, you can't really fully build the inner frame without using armor pieces, as you can see at the waist. Which is unfortunate. I won't be able to actually display the full inner frame until I get those pieces done, but that'll be okay. I will do it eventually. I'm 2K coding those, black parts along with the red parts, which is the reason why I haven't done them yet. But this is what I've gotten done so far. I think it looks pretty good. It's coming along well, nice and shiny, which is the way I'm trying to do these builds. Once again, a like and subscribe would be appreciated if you enjoyed this video. I will put a link in the description below on anywhere I get my paints and materials, and I will see you in the next one.